Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna go. It's like 9 a.m. The sun is obviously out. I'm gonna go for a morning run, probably around the island a little bit, down to the beach, and then back before breakfast, and then see what kind of happens. Probably about 8 kilometers or so. So I should get a bit of an overview of at least the surrounding area. The island's quite big actually, so there's no way I could run the whole thing at the moment. But yeah, about 8 kilometers. That's long enough for me. Cool. Yeah, so I'll probably check in with you when I'm got my shoes on and ready to go. Nice one. Okay, here we are. I got my shoes on, got my running bag on. Going to head around, well, head up there, and then kind of around to another bay, which is around the other side, and then back around down to this beach, kind of down here, and then run back up. So I worked out that's about 8k, so that's about my normal kind of run. Yeah, hopefully I don't get lost. I mean, it's just a big circuit around, and I do have my phone, so you know. Anyway, gonna head off. A bit tired. Haven't really done a morning run for a very long time. Excuse the bags under the eyes and the croaky voice, but yeah, let's do it. It'd be nice to end it just kind of down on the beach there. Yep, let's do it. Okay guys, just on the run decided to pop in and pick up a bit of breakfast, some coffee, bananas and some protein bar things. Breakfast of champions really. Now I'm back on the run. Wow, I just found these pretty cool houseboats. Check these out. That one and that one over there. Could you imagine living here in a boat like that? Pretty amazing. Oh well, let's keep going. Okay guys, so yeah, I guess I'm kind of halfway on the run. The wind's kind of got up, so I'm getting a bit chilly, so I won't hang around too long. But over here I think I'm overlooking Putiki and Putaki Bay, I believe. I'm kind of up on like a little outcrop, or like a little something kind of sticks out. Yeah, it looks over that way, and I've come from kind of more this direction. But yeah, just done some stretches. I'm going to head back down around. Yeah, it's a shame the clouds are kind of rolled in, and it's got windy, but I think this is supposed to kind of clear up soonish. Hopefully the wind just blows away all the clouds and we get a bit more sun, because I want to be on the beach today, and right now it's not looking that nice to do. Yeah, cool. Well, I'll run back down. Catch you in a bit. Whew, gosh. So we made around in a big loop. It's taken me a lot longer than I thought. But yeah, now we're back on the beach and I head all the way back down that way, which is that way. And then like once I get to the end there, go up, and that is where the hostel is. So yeah, gosh. Yeah, it was a lot longer than I thought, but really good actually. Kind of needed it, you know. So it's starting to clear again, so that's nice. Hopefully by the time I get back, have a shower, it'll be time for the sun to come out, and it'll be a swimming day and chilling and getting more sunburnt day. That would be great. Cool. Well, for now the wind is still biting a bit, so I'm gonna keep running.